Well, thank you so much for participating in what I hope has been a fun journey to see how some of our clients have been trading with us over the past 12 months and beyond. And you've probably arrived at the same challenge we have in that, yes, the returns are obviously important. We're in the world of investing after all, so percentages and dollars are critical. But we're also in the human being space too, where each of our clients has got a backstory. And when you look at people like Stuart and Jill Garrett, for example, whereby despite not having the highest type of salaries you could have in your working career, have been able to more than provide in their retirement and live a life that most people would be extremely envious of, with so much travel and so much liberty to do what they want to do, is a story of consistency, backing up on last year's win, of course, which they did as our 23 Trade of the Year. Or if we take Jason Wong, who's moved from being a developer to full-time investor, the journey that he went on with setbacks initially, and then that ability to regroup and refocus on his strategy to deliver a sensational return, more importantly, being able to reward his family along the way, is an example of strong leadership, not only as an investor, but also as a father. Or Tony Pinnell, what a career change from being a builder to being involved in not only the world of investing, but embracing AI as part of that and delivering a really substantial result, over 44% return for 12 months, which by any metric is a great return on money, speaks volumes. So who did you choose? We're always interested to see, and we've obviously seen the results here. And one of the really interesting things is that there's nothing between any of them. It's so close. And that's why this year for 2024, we're very proud to share the fact that we've got 3 joint winners of our Trader of the Year award. So that would be Tony Pinnell. Huge congratulations to Tony here on the Gold Coast in Queensland. Jason Wong down in Melbourne, and Stuart and Jill Garrett in Canberra at 2024 Trader of the Year Award winners. An incredible effort on the part of all 3 of these. But the challenge now is, what about you? Where are you going to take your investment decisions, and more importantly, the journey that you're electing to go on with us? And let's see what we can help you achieve through 2025. So an absolutely massive, genuine, heartfelt and sincere congratulations to Tony Pinnell, Jason Wong, and Stuart and Jill Garrett on taking out our Australian Investment Education 2024 awards. Massive effort, massive recognition, and massive congratulations. Now the search is on for 2025. Make sure you throw your hat in the ring, and we look forward to having a similar conversation about the journey that you've been on and the results that you've been able to achieve.